In this video, I will be showing two ways of constructing kite on GeoGebra. First way of doing it is you can always start with circles. So all you need is to construct a circle with a radius b, and then we're gonna move this point a little bit to clearly see what's going on here, and then I'm gonna create another circle and then pick any point outside my first circle because that's gonna be the center for the second one, and then I'm gonna end this second circle right on that point B. And so as you can see, now I have these like two circles with different radius, and those intersection points are going to be the endpoints for my sides. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point on an object for that other intersection as well, and then I'm going to take the segment tool to connect these centers to the intersection points, and this way we're going to be getting the side lengths. And as you can see, now I have a kite. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide these circles so that I can just have my kite on my screen. And here we go. And if you want to play with the vertices, you can drag it, and you can see it's always going to be a kite. And yeah, you're not going to be able to move this other point D because this is a fixed point on that intersection, but you can drag all the other points. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a second way of constructing a kite. So second way of doing it, let me get rid of all these guys. So second way of doing it is using the definition of kites that diagonals of any kite are always perpendicular. And so what you can do is you can start with a segment and let this segment be one of the diagonals of my kite. And then what I can do is that I can construct a perpendicular line on this at any location. So I'm just going to choose that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this point anywhere, maybe here. And then what I need is I need the exact reflection of this point about that perpendicular line. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the reflection feature to construct the reflection of that point about this line. So now you see C prime is my reflection. And what I need to do next is to take a segment tool and connect these points to create my sides for the kite. So after you connect all these, you're gonna realize that I just constructed a kite. So I'm gonna hide the perpendicular line because I'm not gonna need that anymore. So you can hide that object. You can also hide the diagonal if you don't want it to be there. And so yeah, here we go. Here is my kite, and you can drag the points. You can notice it's always going to be a kite because this is a proper construction for a kite. Thank you for watching.